When do we use SUMIFS function? The SUMIFS function in Excel is used when you need to sum values in a range that meet multiple criteria. In this example, I would sum all the laptops sold by Emma. This is Emma report on Jan. In this sheet, I kept all the inventory sold by Emma and Olivia. This is all laptop for sold on Jan by Emma. Okay, for this answer I use SUMIFS function. First, click on cell and type equals. Next, SUMIFS function and open parentheses. After, go to Sheets Jan. For the sum rang, I need to hold Select Total Column, comma. In Criteria Range 1, I need to hold Select on Product Name. Comma. Type criteria is Laptop in the double quote. Comma. Next, the criteria 2, I need to hold Select Salesperson. Comma, and type the criteria is Emma in the double quote. Close parentheses and enter. Okay, the results show on cell correctly. Now, check on this result on Sheets Jan. I filter on Product Name and choose Only Laptop. And filter on Salesperson, show only Emma. The Emma sold there are 3 times. It's correct balance. How about Olivi balance? Okay, I use SUMIFS the same. Press equals and type SUMIFS and open parentheses. First is sum range. Go to Sheet Jan and hold Select Total Column, comma, and next hold Select on Product Name, comma, and type Laptop criteria in the double quote. Next, comma, and hold Select on Salesperson columns. Comma, and this criteria is Olivia. Close parentheses and enter. This result is correctly balance of Olivi sold the laptop. Okay, with my explain using SUMIFS function is done. Subscribe for more sharing. Thank you.